Running a business today can feel like you are constantly chasing your own tail. You are capturing lead in one place, responding in another, trying to remember who to follow with, and somehow they'll still slip through a crack. And here is uncomfortable truth. Most business don't have a lead problem. They have a system problem. Because when your growth depends on manual efforts, memory, and scattered tools, things break, leads go cold, opportunity disappear, and revenue lay quietly in the background. That's exactly where NexusFlo comes in. NexusFlo24 is an all-in-one AI-powered sales and marketing automation platform designed to help you capture leads, manage relationships, automate follow-up, and convert more customers without chaos. Everything you need is brought into one central system. So instead of working harder, you start working smarter. Yes. In this walkthrough, I'm going to guide you step by step through the NexusFlo24 platform. You will learn how to navigate the system, understand its future, and most importantly, how to use them to build a streamlined, automated business that runs efficiently. By the end of this video, you won't just understand NexusFlo24, you will know how to use them or how to use it with confidence to generate leads, automate processes, and increase conversion. Now, let's get started. Now, once you log into NexusFlo24, the first thing you will notice is how clean and structured everything feels. Yeah, you can see that right now. This is your central dashboard, your command center. On the left-hand side, you will see your main navigation menu. This is where your core tools live. Your CRM, your leads, funnel, campaigns, automation, bookings, messages, analytics, and setting. You see them there. So instead of jumping between different platforms, everything is right here in one place. And that is not just convenient. It is powerful. It is amazing. Everything has been centralized. Everything is here in one place. Because when everything is centralized, you reduce friction, eliminate confusion, and you move faster. Now, in this center of your screen, your dashboard gives you a screenshot of your business activities. You will see how many leads are coming in, what's happening across your system, how your performance is evolving. This is important because clarity drives better decision. Now let's start breaking down each features, beginning with your overview dashboard. Now when you look at the overview dashboard here, it is your real-time pulse check. It shows you exactly what's happening inside your business, your leads, your activities, your performance metric, what every damn thing that is happening, how everything is being unfolded, exactly what is really happening, what is working and what is not working. You see everything in here. Now, most businesses operate reactively. They guess what's working. But here in this platform, you are not guessing. You start, view their history, add notes, and understand exactly where they are in your progress. This gives you structure, and structure creates consistency. So you log in, you assess, and you adjust. That is how you stay in control. Next, we look into CRM, the leads. Your customer relationship management system, that is CRM, that is what you're seeing here. So this is where every single lead is stored, organized, and tracked. Anytime someone tracks your business, whether they fill out a form, click through a funnel, or send a message, they appear here in your CRM. And this is where most businesses either win or they will lose. Because if you don't manage your lead properly, you lose opportunities. So inside CRM, you can view each contact, see each detail, see their details, track interaction, and move them through your pipelines. All right, you can organize leads into stages like new leads, contacted, interested, or close. You can do this in real-time scenario. When someone visits your page, fill out a form and shows interest. Now, instead of that lead getting buried in your inbox, it's captured, organized, and ready for action. That's the difference between hoping for sale and building a system that generates them. Now, let's talk about forms. So when you go to the left-hand side, you will see forms. So forms are your entry points. This is how leads come into your system. You can create a simple claim form that collects exactly the information you need, like the names, the email, the phone number, or the business name, or any custom field you can create. Yeah. So once created, you can place this form on your website, on your landing page, or your funnel. So this is where it gets powerful. The moment someone submits a form, they are automatically added to your CRM. No manual input, no delays. This is where automation begins to take over. Okay, now let's move into the funnel. Now we are in the funnel. The next is the funnel. Funnels are designed to guide your visitors through a focused journey. Instead of sending people to a random pages and be hoping they convert, and the conversion part that leads people to a specific action. Like for example, you might create a landing page offering a free resources, followed by a thank you page and then a follow-up sequence. This increases your chances of turning visitor into a lead, and leads into a customer, because you are not leaving the journey to a chance, you are controlling it. Yes. The next one is campaign. So we are stepping into campaign right now. Campaign allows you to communicate with your audience at a scale. You can send an email, messages, or broadcast to your contact all from one place. All right, so everything happens inside campaign. So this matters more than more people realize it. Yeah, this is very powerful as well, because leads don't convert instantly. They need nurturing, because a lead might not be buoyant enough, or might not be disposed to buy your product or your service. So they need like a follow-up that is nurturing. So with campaign, you can stay in front of your audience. Yes, you can, you have to build a trust, and you move them closer to making a decision. So now this is where the real transformation happens. Automation. When you look at your left, you will see automation. Now, automation are what turns your system into a machine, money-making machine. Yes, this is the real automation. This is the engine block. This is where everything happens. Now, instead of manually following up with leads, you create a workflow that handles it for you. All right. For example, when a lead comes in, you can automatically send a welcome message, follow up with email, assign them to a pipeline stage, and even trigger a reminder, all without manual effort. All these things happens automatically once you set everything, and this can be done once. And once you've set it, once you build it, it remains there. What you just need is just a tweak, or maybe a sort of optimization. So this is what removes inconsistency from your business, all right? Because the system doesn't forget, the system doesn't delay. It works every single time, and that's how you scale. Okay, the next one is booking. We have booking. This feature allows your leads, your clients, to schedule appointment directly with you. You set your availability, share your booking link, and the system handles the rest. There's no back and forth email, no confusion. Everything is streamlined and professional. Now, once communication begins, it's managed inside messages. All right. The next is message. This is your central inbox. Instead of checking multiple platforms, All your conversation are brought in one place. You can respond faster, stay organized, ensure no message go unanswered, and speed matters, right? Because the faster you respond, the higher your chances of converting that lead. Okay? Next, we move into analytics. Analytics shows you what's working, what is not working, what needs improvement, where and where maybe to optimize. So inside analytics, you can track how your funnel are performing, okay? How your campaigns are converting, right? And how your leads are progressing. Yes, this is where optimization happens, like I said, because once you understand your numbers, you can improve them, right? And finally, we move to setting. This is where you configure your platform from integration to preference. This is where you control how everything operates behind the scene. Now, let's connect everything together so you can see the full picture of what we've been talking from the beginning. A typical user journey look like this. A visitor lands on your funnel, right? Fill out a form, become a lead in your CRM, triggers an automation, receives a follow-up, book a call, and convert into a customer. As simple as that. This is not random. This is a system. This is a flow, right? And that is what most businesses are missing. Now, if you are just getting started, do not overcomplicate this. Start with the basics. Create a form, build a simple funnel, set up one automation that follow up with every lead. That alone can change how your business operates, all right? Because here's what most people get it wrong. They try to use every feature once and end up doing nothing properly. Instead, focus on one progress and build it well. Build it excellently well. Also, avoid the mistake of capturing leads without a follow-up system. That's where most revenue is lost. Yeah, speed and consistency are everything. So, and your system should guarantee both. Okay, as you grow, refine your workflow, improve your messages, and use analytics to do what? To improve your results. Small improvement compound into a massive growth over time. It does not happen once. It is a gradual process. Now, if you are ready to stop doing everything manually and start building business that runs efficiently, effortlessly, NexusFlo24 gives you a system to do exactly that. Capture leads, automate your processes, and convert more customers. Get started today and take control of your business growth.